Man, what's up with y'all? YouTube, same thing. Like, share, subscribe. I'm finna drop some tips. I'm finna drop something hot. I'm finna show y'all how to get that all-wheel drive car done. Why you can still afford it. My thing is, man, I've been working on this all-wheel drive for a minute. I bought the transmission. I bought it my way. I bought it out the junkyard. I bought the transfer case. I did all that. I got it put together. I maybe saved a few $100s. Let's see. I got the diff out the junkyard. But one thing I can't get out the junkyard is that dang drive shaft, man. Man, that drive shaft, they talking crazy about that drive shaft. 800, 1100, 700. I can't do 700 though. I already done spent all this money on all this other stuff. Basically, what I'm telling y'all is, I can't afford to buy it just because somebody's saying they got it right here, right there. So what I have to do is, I have to go other ways and find my parts. That's why I got y'all. I'm going to show y'all where I found my all-wheel drive, my Freelander drive shaft for the low. Okay? Check this out, dog. We're going to go right here. It's simple, bro. I'm just going to put y'all on the computer. I got my drive shaft. I got it within 3 days of buying it online. An easy website. Jump right to it. They tell you the price. They tell you how much it costs. They tell you where it's at. And they give you the phone number. So, just stick with me. I'm going to show you, cuz. Alright, so basically, man, I'm telling y'all, I got this thing so cheap. I'm being for real, bro, when I tell you, I can't buy no $800 drive shaft, dog. Well, what I'm doing, bro, if I bought an $800 drive shaft, I still got to take it somewhere and get some work done to it. That's out my budget, dog. It just don't make no sense. You feel me? So here we go, dog. We finna go right here. Y'all know I can't really type like that. You feel me? But one thing I can do is get on there and find them car parts, though. Yo. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna jump on that bit right there. Jump on that damn car-part.com, dog. I don't know where they at. If y'all know a bit that work for car-parts.com, tell them they owe me something, dog, for even putting them on here, cuz. Listen, this is how we finna do. We finna look for the year drive shaft we looking for. Man, bro, you better share this. You feel me? Don't be taking all the cheap drive shafts for yourself, dog. We're going to 2003 Land. What we got? What that is? Land Rover right there? Oh, I'm going to pull that joke up. But Land Rover all the way at the bottom. Boy, let's see if we can. There we go. Land. Dang. Land Rover. Freelander. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I don't really be typing like that now. Select part. Let's see what we got in the D's. We're looking for a drive shaft. Hold up. Can you get any closer on that bit? Can you get any closer? Can you zoom in just a little bit? Can you zoom in just a little bit right there? Zoom in just a little bit. Right there. You see that bad boy right there? That's what we need right there. Drive shaft rear. Bomb. And then, the best part about it, you put your zip code in. It might be around the corner. It might be at your uncle's house. You put the zip code in, it's going to tell you right where it's at. You might be able to go pick it up. You might get it shipped within 2 to 3 days to your door like I did. I ain't going to let y'all see my area code because I already know. I already know how y'all get down, boy. Can't trust them, boy. Wow. Look at all them drive shafts I got on there. Now look, this the thing. They want 800 on the street. They want 900. They want all that. I'm finna go right here, bro. Drive shaft. 150. 350. Now you gotta grant it that these come with 100. I paid less than $100. $100 is the high amount for shipping. I paid way less than $100 for mine. Right here. $100. Drive shaft. I shouldn't even be showing you all this. Because by the time y'all get to this, it's gonna be gone. I shouldn't even be showing you this right here. Call. And you gotta call these numbers, man. That's how I got my drive shaft to my house. $237 shipped to my door. Shouldn't even be showing y'all this. Go on the website, car-cart.com. I'm telling y'all because you feel me? I can't afford it. I know a lot of y'all out there can't afford it too. Go right there, get your drive shaft. What y'all want me to, you want me to call? Huh? Want me to call? Phone numbers right there, man. Listen, today December 10th. I see $100 drive shafts on that bill right now. So y'all do what y'all gotta do, man. That's it. Like, share, subscribe to my page. I'm giving out facts like this every time I do something that get me up. I'm finna get y'all up. Get on car-cart.com right now. Get your drive shafts. Go all-wheel drive grippers. Let's go.